cough medicines. What are they saying about cough medicines? Are they helpful? Are they a waste of time?
Multi-million-pound industry, but the evidence is that they don't actually treat the virus or the bacteria that's causing the cough. They don't reduce the duration of the cough, but what they do is ease the symptoms.
Right.
So if you've got a very productive cough and you want to dry it up a bit, they can have a role. They ease the symptoms. Some people say a cough is nature's way of getting rid of the germs and you don't want to suppress that cough. So I think it's about comfort.
Right.
Personally, I like a hot toddy and a hot curry for a cough.
That's a really good idea, Doctor.
Yeah.
I love
the
that.
doctor talking.
I think that's very, very good. OK, so really, you know, fine, it'll help, but...
It helps the symptoms, but it doesn't actually cure the cough.